Hi friends, you are watching Guide for All. Today we are going to discuss most important current affairs of 21st October 2021. Let's begin with the first question. In which state Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Kushinagar International Airport? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Now let's talk about some important points related to airport. Recently, Skytrax released World Airport Award Rankings 2021. In this ranking, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, among the world's top 50 best airports in 2021. Delhi Airport emerged as the best airport in India for third consecutive year, and Mumbai, Hyderabad and Bengaluru have also found a rank among world's 100 best airports. In this ranking, Doha Hamda International Airport, Qatar, ranked as the world's best airport. Move to next question. Who has become the highest wicket taker in T20 international cricket? Correct answer is Shakibul Hasan. Shakibul Hasan belongs to Bangladesh. Now let's talk about some important points related to sports. Recently, Chennai Super Kings wins the IPL title, and it is its fourth title. And one more point. Recently, MS Dhoni became the first player to captain in 300 T20 games. And one more point. Recently, India won SAFA Championship for 8th time. And recently, Valtteri Bottas won Turkey's Grand Prix 2021. One more point. Recently, Lewis Hamilton becomes the first F1 driver to reach 100 wins. This happened after the victory at Russian Grand Prix. Now move to the next question. The Lucy mission has been launched by NASA to study which of these asteroids? Correct answer is Trojan. Now let's talk about some space points. Recently, United Arab Emirates announced to plan to send a probe to land on an asteroid between Mars and Jupiter to collect the data on the origin of universe. One more point. Recently, World Space Week has observed from October 4 to October 10th. Theme of this year World Space Week is Women in Space. Now move to next question. Recently, which martial arts form won UNESCO's Martial Arts Education Prize 2021? Correct answer is Kung Fu Nuns. Recently, UNESCO is also in news because recently it selected two cities from Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior and Urcha, under its historic urban landscape project. UNESCO also in news because recently it included two sites from India under its World Heritage Site. First one is Kakatiya Rudreshwara Temple, also known as Ramappa Temple. It's in Telangana. And second one is Dholavira, a Harappan city. It's in Gujarat. And these to become 39th and 14 sites from India. Move to next question. A new book titled Stars in My Sky, written by, correct answer is Divya Dutt. Now let's talk some important points. Recently Rajnish Kumar come up with a book, and title of this book is The Custodian of Trust, a banker's memoir. Rajnish Kumar is a former SBI chairman. Recently Bharat Pay appointed him as its chairman. And one more point, Andhra Pradesh government recently appointed him as a economic advisor. Move to sixth question. Recently, which country declared state of emergency over crime wave? Correct answer is Ecuador. Now let's talk some important points. Recently, San Marino votes to legalize abortion. One more point. Recently, Switzerland became the world's 13th country to legalize same-sex marriage. In 2000, the Netherlands became the first country to legalize same-sex marriage. Taiwan becomes first in Asia to legalize same-sex marriage. Now move to seventh question. Who has been appointed as the ambassador of Russian Film Festival? Correct answer is Imtiaz Ali. Now let's talk about some important points. Fireport recently appointed Virat Kohli as its brand ambassador. Fireport is a wearable brand. And one more point, Amway India appointed Mirabai Chanu as a brand ambassador. Mirabai Chanu is a Olympic medalist. And one more point, recently Uttar Pradesh government appointed Kangana Raut as its brand ambassador for its ambitious One District One Product program. Move to last question. Name the Indian who has won the inaugural Earthshot Prize for the year 2021. Correct answer is Vidyut Mohan. Vidyut Mohan led Takachara is one among 5 winners of the first ever Earthshot Prize, also called Eco Oscar. This award is instituted by Prince William. Takachara, a portable machine created to turn agricultural waste into fertilizer so that farmers do not burn their fields and cause air pollution. That's it from today. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new video notification. PDF of this lecture can be downloaded from our Telegram channel. Link has been given in the description box. Please check it.